know what to tell you.
All right, guys, welcome back to Piston Productions. It is day 2 here at Gridlife Atlanta. What do we have on today? Well, Andrew's got more driving to do. Maybe we'll get some more ride-along stuff with him. I'm gonna try and get it into a drift car, throwing together a quick edit. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. You would have already seen this anyways, but yeah, not too much planned today, but tonight it gets crazy, so that's the part I'm looking forward to. All right, guys, we're gonna head up and go shoot the Radwood car show. It is an 80s and 90s themed car show. Pretty excited about that. Garrett's car's up there, so kind of excited. So we're gonna take a walk and go check that out. Alright, car show was pretty cool. Garrett's stealing the show slowly. Apparently people like R34s in a place they can't get R34s, so I'm gonna relax a little bit and hang out and see what we get up to after that. Alright, so we're gonna go visit Geoff Stoneback. We're gonna be doing a ride-along with him, just chatting with Riley a little bit. I'm gonna see if Riley and Geoff will do some tandeming, and then things will get real crazy. Oh yeah!
Dude.
Thanks, buddy.
Hope you enjoyed it, bro.
Man, that was awesome.
Yeah.
Last run was perfect.
Yeah, that was gnarly.
Oh yeah. Just finished up my ride along with Geoff. Awesome set of runs, especially when he was chasing. Just absolutely great time. So huge shout out to Geoff Stoneback. Make sure to check out all of his stuff. It was a ton of fun. A little queasy. LS car, being in an LS car is way different than a turbocharged car, but had a blast. Just a whole other experience. I get it now. I get the LS thing. Hated on them for a long time, but I get it. So I'm gonna take a nice long walk and go check out some drifting at the S's. It is a very far walk, but it is what it is. So kind of excited. It's one of my favorite spots to shoot on this track. The path, you get to kind of see some really neat stuff. I'm gonna switch to my long lens now in case I get some cool shots, but yeah, it's a cool spot to be.
So I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to
All right, I do like that location. I think it went pretty well, although really wishing I had a longer lens. I'd get myself in like a 500 or something. Now I can catch them coming up that hill, but that was cool. I got a long walk back. So there's the hot pits, or there's the pits, paddock, whatever you want to call it over there. And I'm here, so I get to walk all the way over to that bridge and then cross. So sometimes, just sometimes, someone is there with like a golf cart or something like that, and you can catch a ride. Usually if you're wearing a media vest, people are pretty good about giving you a ride, so maybe someone's there, hopefully. Guys, drifting is all wrapped up for the day. We are going to have a few adult beverages, hang out a little bit, see what goes on in the pits, maybe check out the concert and go from there. So this is the part of Gridlife that everyone talks about. Paco! I decided to get, I realize we always talk to each other, but I never actually get it on camera. Because I'm always like, I don't want to be like, hey, be in my vlog, Paco.
Let's make it uncomfortable. What do you want to talk about?
So like you're like super famous and stuff, and that's awesome. So like, can you just say like all my stuff's cool, and then I'll get super famous.
No,
okay.
Sorry.
We are pretty much wrapped up now for this night. It was epic. Golf carts, flip cup, getting to hang out with Paco, hang out with the pros, see everybody. It's kind of the part of the festival that I enjoy the most, is getting to hang out. Scott got to experience it for the first time. So yeah, it was good. I had a few adult beverages, we couldn't tell. But thank you again, guys, for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to check out the next one, which will be kind of the wrap up and the drive home, which I'm sure we'll get into some kind of shenanigans. Make sure to subscribe. Scott has the cat.
I have a cat
on his belly button. So that's the kind of night it's been. But make sure to check out all the new videos out Monday and Friday, and the Pissnhead podcast out on Wednesday. And if you really like all this shit, check out the Patreon if you could. That's all it takes, $1 a month. Anyways, we will see you guys next time.